We're making a start with some news that's breaking this minute. The latest update coming in on the Kangana versus the Maharashtra government that has escalated further. In a video that Kangana Ranaut has just put out, she has further teared into the Maharashtra government and also raised several questions in a scathing attack at the Maharashtra Chief Minister. Let's listen into that reaction.
उद्धव ठाकरे, तुझे क्या लगता है कि तूने फिल्म माफिया के साथ मिलके मेरा घर तोड़ के मुझसे बहुत बड़ा बदला लिया है? आज मेरा घर टूटा है, कल तेरा घमंड टूटेगा। ये वक्त का पहिया है, याद रखना, हमेशा एक जैसा नहीं रहता। और मुझे लगता है कि तुमने मुझ पर बहुत बड़ा एहसान किया है, क्योंकि मुझे पता तो था कि कश्मीरी पंडितों पे क्या बीती होगी। आज मैंने महसूस किया है और आज मैं इस देश को वचन देती हूँ कि मैं सिर्फ अयोध्या पे ही नहीं, कश्मीर पे भी एक फिल्म बनाऊंगी और अपने देशवासियों को जगाऊंगी, क्योंकि मुझे पता था हमारे साथ होगा तो होगा, लेकिन मेरे साथ हुआ है, इसका कोई मतलब है, इसके कोई मायने हैं। और उद्धव ठाकरे, ये जो क्रूरता और ये जो आतंक है, अच्छा हुआ ये मेरे साथ हुआ, क्योंकि इसके कुछ मायने हैं। जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र।
Meanwhile, it is an all-out war between Kangana Ranaut and the Maharashtra government. Now, the actor reached Mumbai this afternoon after a portion of her office, remember, was partially demolished by the Mumbai civic body as it was allegedly illegal. Now, in some relief they're coming into the actor, the Bombay High Court has stayed the demolition unit. It hears the case tomorrow. However, through the day, there was massive drama right from Kangana leaving Manali to tight security that was given to her upon reaching her residence in Mumbai. Meanwhile, we also saw Karni Sena and the RPI workers support the actor outside the Mumbai airport. On the other hand, there was Shiv Sena workers who in fact stood protesting against the actor as well. Let me bring in my colleague Disha for further updates on this. Disha, on one hand, we're looking at a relief there coming in for Kangana Ranaut with the Bombay High Court ordering a stay on the demolition. Help us understand the finer points there of what the court has said in this regard.
Well, certainly today the matter which was heard at about 12:30, where Kangana had filed a writ petition against the BMC for contempt to court. When the hearing started, the plea was about that how the BMC could demolish something so in a hurried manner and without the owner being present, and something where, of course, there was no illegal work at all. So how did the BMC actually go about demolishing it? So, of course, to that, the Bombay High Court today very categorically sought a response from the BMC saying that how can you enter the premises when the owner was not present? So this is something, of course, that the Bombay High Court really questioned the BMC about. Secondly, of course, Kangana's lawyer also argued saying that they were not given enough time to respond because Kangana in the BMC stop work notice had very categorically mentioned that how she needs at least 7 days to submit all the documents related to the permissions, sanctions and approvals that she has got to do any sort of renovation work or construction work at her office premises. But that's something which, of course, nothing which did not really get so far. So now, of course, the matter has been kept for tomorrow at about 3 p.m. The Bombay High Court has really said that there has to be a stop in the demolition drive by the BMC in concern. Till the further orders, no demolition drive will take place, and they also have been directed to file an affidavit in this entire matter.
All right, so the Bombay High Court will be hearing this matter again tomorrow. But also, Disha, upon Kangana's arrival, we've seen her issue a very scathing statement there, directly taking on the Maharashtra Chief Minister as well. Disha, if you can hear us, we were of course discussing the entire statement that had come out in a video message that Kangana Ranaut had also put out after she reached home. But that's a very scathing and a direct statement they're coming in from Kangana Ranaut taking on the Maharashtra Chief Minister.
That's right, and in fact, that statement was recorded right after she reached here at her residence in the city of Mumbai. In fact, she made a video and she immediately tweeted out and categorically, here I say, she has said that, what do you think, Uddhav Thackeray, that you have taken revenge with me by demolishing my house with the film mafia? Today my house has been demolished, tomorrow it will be yours. You have done me a favor because I had some idea about Kashmiri Pandits. I know now how I feel it. So that is clearly, hitting out at Uddhav Thackeray in a video which is about 20 seconds. It was made right after she reached here at her residence, and she saw that how, of course, the demolition did really take place. It took for 2 hours. Illegal construction which the BMC felt was unauthorized was demolished today. So, of course, now it's very important and it will be crucial to see that what tomorrow the hearing will spell out. Because on one hand, there's a BMC where Kangana's team is alleging that it's a contempt to court because till about 30th September, no demolition drive could have been taken place due to the COVID situation. But on the other hand, there's a team of Kangana's lawyers who are saying that what BMC did was not at all justified and they should have at least given them some time to respond to the notice.
All right, Disha, request you to stay with us at this point. On the main point you made on what the Bombay High Court has said, we're getting those breaking updates coming in. Let's listen to those reactions that are coming in.